Hi, this is Raihan from PC Knowledge. Today we are going to see how to uninstall Mac app. In this case, we I used to use Windows. Windows have a lot of opportunity to really build in upper system to uninstall your application clearly, but in this Mac is something a little bit critical to uninstall. So I have find out a way by which way you also can uninstall your application completely. So find app cleaner in your sorry to say, at first you need to open a browser and need to type app cleaner. So okay, so in this case this is app cleaner. So this one have first result of your search app cleaner. You'll get free Mac soft. Click on it and download this. See, you'll see this kind of your application interface will look like this. So you need to download. Which one you want to download? This one is the latest version. I think this one is latest version. Is it downloading? Yeah, it's downloading. So searching others, app cleaner, download. I'm using free download manager, that's why maybe this coming like this. So if you are don't using anything, it will download here in your browser section down footer. So click on download button, no matter where it is downloading on. It's 2.73 MB. It's a tiny software, tiny space, but it's very useful, I can say. So what you want to do, just you need to click on it and already installed in my Mac. So in this case, okay, open it. See, so I'm going to show you how to uninstall completely an app from your Mac machine. So in this case, we are going to see which app we need to install. So okay, maybe this one. So this one is here. See, app cleaner. Just you need to drag and drop on the app cleaner. It will charge all application for you and will give you a result, and it will charge all files and folders related to that UT kind of which one I have selected. See, this one. So you just what you're gonna do, just you need to click on remove. It will completely remove from your machine, and just you need to right click and empty bin. It will completely remove from your machine. See, there is no file here. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay happy, enjoy. I forgot to say the important thing about when you installed it's not installed actually. You need to keep this file in your application folder, otherwise you will not see the next time, and you have to find it in your folder, open, and you have to use it. So you don't need to do this, okay? Just you need to open your application folder, tab. I have already opened it, so no problem. Just you need to click right button and open in a new tab. So just you need to drag and drop on this tab. Just drop on this tab. That's it. just you need to click, and another thing is you need to what can I say, you need to pin this application for using next time. It will be very easy to, just you need to right click, at first you need to open this application and right click, and just you need to pin this, keep in a dock, just that's it. So you just need to click, close this, see it's already here, just you don't need to come here again and again, just you need to click on it, that's it. And sorry, I think this video has been a little bit longer. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.